This design has barely changed since Oreos were first introduced in 1912, and it's become one of the most recognizable cookie shapes around the globe. Once stamped, the cookies take a trip down the conveyor belt straight into a massive oven. And when we say massive, we mean it. These ovens can stretch over 100 feet in length and can bake thousands of Oreos at once. Inside, the temperature is carefully calibrated to bake each cookie to a crisp perfection. Too much heat would make the cookies bitter and dry, while too little wouldn't give them that distinct texture we all know and love. And just like that, out come the crispy chocolate discs, ready for their creamy partner. Now on to the other star of the show, the cream filling. This part of the process is top secret, but we know that sugar and oil are the main ingredients. The oil gives the cream that smooth melt-in-your-mouth texture, while the sugar brings the sweetness. Did you know that Oreo filling doesn't contain any dairy, even though it tastes so creamy? That's right, it's completely vegan, making it even more popular with people around the world. The filling is whipped to perfection, creating a fluffy, rich layer that complements the crispy cookie. Here's where things get satisfying. The assembly line. Each Oreo cookie gets an exact dollop of cream, perfectly placed to ensure that every bite has just the right amount of filling. With machines designed to handle thousands of cookies per minute, 2 chocolate discs are sandwiched around the cream, creating that classic Oreo look we all recognize. Every Oreo is identical, right down to the perfect cream-to-cookie ratio. And here's a fun fact for you. Oreos were first made over a century ago, in 1912. And while they've tried different designs over the years, the current one has become iconic. It's like a little history lesson in every bite. Quality control is a crucial part of Oreo production. Every batch is inspected multiple times. Machines scan for any defects, ensuring each Oreo meets the highest standards of quality. Workers and technology work side by side to make sure that everything from cookie texture to filling distribution is consistent. This attention to detail is part of what makes Oreos so reliable and so delicious with every bite. Did you know that Oreo comes in over 85 flavors worldwide? From mint and peanut butter to unique limited editions like wasabi in Asia, Oreo's global popularity has inspired some pretty wild flavors. Who knows what flavor might be next? Now that they are all made and quality checked, the cookies are ready to be packed up and sent worldwide. Oreos are packaged in airtight trays to lock in their freshness. Every detail, down to the seal, is designed to keep your Oreos crispy, creamy, and ready to enjoy whenever you are. After packing, they're ready to head to the shelves of stores around the world, keeping that perfect Oreo flavor safe inside. From classic cookies to flavors customized for every region, Oreos have become a global icon. They're enjoyed in over 100 countries and continue to innovate. Nabisco has kept Oreo relevant by experimenting with new flavors, limited editions, and even seasonal designs. And with millions of Oreos being made daily, the company continues to look for ways to improve and expand the Oreo family. It's a cookie loved by all ages, from kids enjoying it with milk to adults finding creative ways to add Oreos to their desserts. So next time you twist, lick, and dunk an Oreo, remember the incredible journey it took to get to you. From raw ingredients to snack time perfection, It's a treat backed by over a century of tradition and a whole lot of craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Oreos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inside looks into how your favorite things are made. Until next time, stay curious with curious constructs.